Hi girls, this is your CGI word problem for Tuesday, May 19th. And you'll notice here there's a picture of a bookstore. And I love going into bookstores because to me, there's nothing like having the book in your hand and being able to flip through it and look at just all the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of books that you can choose from. And what you're also going to notice about this word problem is that the past couple days, our word problems have been similar as to the approach we take to solve them. And this one is no different. So we have a bookstore received 1,028 copies of the newest bestseller. The bookstore began selling the book on Monday. On Tuesday, the bookstore sold 239 copies. When the store closed on Tuesday, there were 463 copies left. How many books did the bookstore sell on Monday? So, like I said, similar to yesterday's and a few last week. A bookstore received 1,028 copies of the newest bestseller. Wish a new Harry Potter book would come out. The bookstore began selling the book on Monday. On Tuesday, the bookstore sold 239 copies. When the store closed on Tuesday, there were 463 copies left. How many books did the bookstore sell on Monday? So again, I want you to think about, are we looking for a part or are we looking for the total? There's 1,028 copies of this book. Is my answer going to be larger than 1,028 books? That on Monday they sold more than 1,028 books? Would that make sense? Or is it going to be smaller? Am I looking for a total? The total number of books that were sold? Or am I looking for a part? Some of the books that were sold. Now you'll notice we were not told Monday. They said the book started selling on Monday. Then it tells us Tuesday, and then it tells us what was left. Our goal is to figure out how many books they sold on Monday. So I want you to pause the video. I want you to use plan, solve, check. Then resume the video when you are ready to correct your work. All right, me ladies, let's review this problem. So, as usual, I've got my plan set. There's 1,028 copies of the book. So guess what? They can't sell more than 1,028 copies. So my answer is not going to be larger than 1,028. Monday is a mystery to us for now. Tuesday, they sold 239. And then there was still 463 copies of the book left. So my tape diagram, just like yesterday, I partitioned it into 3 parts. I put an M for Monday's number of books, 239 for Tuesdays, and then what was left. And I know that the total number of books that they have to sell is 1,028. M is equal to the books sold Monday. So if I'm looking for this part, this is what I'm looking for. I have to take these 2 out, so I'm left with Monday. So similar to yesterday, they started with 1,028. And I have to take away Tuesdays and what they still have left to figure out Monday. Remember, those parentheses mean solve me first, but it doesn't mean that it goes in front because I'm not taking away the 1028. We're taking these two things away from the 1028. So first, I'm going to add the 239 and the 463. Nine and 3 is 12. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Now, I'm going to take that 702 away from the 1028. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 10 minus 7 is 3. So, M is equal to 326. There were 326 books sold on Monday. To check, I'm going to put all of these parts together. I already know what these two parts together is. It's 702. And then I'm going to fill in what I'm saying M is, which is 326. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 3 is 10. And I'm brought back to that total of 1,028 books that they started with. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.